What if I told you the fastest eater in the world is blind, has a nose shaped like a starfish, and lives in muddy tunnels underground? Meet the star-nosed mole, a small, strange creature with a face you'll never forget. Today, we're diving deep into the weird world of this bizarre mammal and the insane superpowers that make it one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Stick around, because this animal doesn't just look strange, it breaks records. Fact 1. The weirdest nose in the animal kingdom. Let's talk about that face. The star-nosed mole gets its name from the 22 fleshy tentacles that spread out from its nose like a squishy star. Each one is packed with over 25,000 nerve endings, forming the most sensitive touch organ known in any mammal. This nose doesn't smell. It sees through touch. Fact 2. Fastest eater on Earth. You might not expect it, but the star-nosed mole holds a world record. It can identify and eat its prey in under 0.2 seconds. That's faster than the human eye can blink. Scientists have studied it in slow motion just to see how fast it moves. It's the fastest known forager in the animal world. Fact 3. Totally blind, but still deadly. Despite that powerful nose, the star-nosed mole is functionally blind. It doesn't rely on vision. Instead, it maps the world through its star-shaped nose, detecting textures, shapes, and even tiny vibrations underground. It's like a living, sniffing, digging radar. Fact 4. Sniffing underwater. Now get this. Star-nosed moles can actually sniff underwater. How? They blow out tiny bubbles through their nose, then suck them back in to detect smells in the water. It's one of the only mammals on Earth that can do this. Sniffing through bubbles, now that's a superpower. Fact 5. Born to tunnel. These moles are perfectly built for the underground life. They live in wet, swampy soil, digging elaborate tunnel systems with their wide, paddle-like feet. They can even swim through mud and water to hunt for insects, worms, and tiny crustaceans. They're messy, but efficient. Fact 6. Lives in harsh places. The star-nosed mole thrives in places most animals avoid, like frozen wetlands and icy swamps. It can stay active even when snow is on the ground. Why? Because it's constantly digging, foraging, and staying warm in its tunnels. It's small, but it's tough. If you've made it this far, you're officially part of the Weird Animal Club. Hit that like button if this creature blew your mind so far. And comment star power if you're brave enough to touch one. Fact 7. It thinks with its nose. Scientists say the mole's brain is wired differently. More than half of its brain is devoted to processing signals from the nose, not the eyes or ears. That star on its face is basically its second brain. Fact 8. Prey targeting precision. When food touches its star, the mole can pinpoint its exact location, analyze it, and eat it in milliseconds. The center two tentacles, called the touch fovea, are where the real magic happens. They give the mole a super detailed picture of what it's touching. Fact 9. It eats 100% meat. This mole doesn't nibble on roots or plants. It's a full-on carnivore. It eats worms, insects, small fish, and anything squishy it can catch. And with its super-sensitive star, nothing escapes its radar. Fact 10. Born with a face full of tentacles. Baby star-nosed moles are born blind and hairless, but even at birth, they've got that creepy star on their face. It's small and underdeveloped at first, but quickly becomes the animal's most important tool. By the time they're just a few weeks old, they're already using it to hunt. Fact 11. Found only in North America. You won't find these oddballs in Africa or Asia. The star-nosed mole is native to eastern North America, found from Canada to the eastern United States. They love wet areas, especially bogs and marshes. If you're ever hiking near wetlands, one of these could be right under your feet. Fact 12. It almost never stops. Moving star-nosed moles are hyperactive. They spend nearly all their time digging, foraging, and exploring. Even while sleeping, they twitch and shift constantly, almost like their nervous system never shuts off. So what have we learned? The star-nosed mole is creepy, but brilliant. It's blind, but sees through touch. It can sniff underwater, dig non-stop, and eat faster than anything else on Earth. Proof that even the weirdest animals can be some of the most impressive. If you loved this deep dive, give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more weird animal documentaries from Telltale Facts. And let us know in the comments, would you ever hold a star-nosed mole? Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay weird, and stay wild.